In the shadows of forgotten cities lie the world's largest abandoned structures, each telling a tale of ambition and decay. Imagine the grandeur of the Ryugyong Hotel in Pyongyang, a colossal pyramid that looms over the skyline, unfinished yet hauntingly beautiful. Or consider the eerie silence of the Songjipod city in Taiwan, once envisioned as a futuristic utopia, now a ghostly reminder of dreams unfulfilled. These architectural giants, once bustling with life, now stand as monuments to human aspiration and the passage of time. The Detroit Packard plant, sprawling and rusting, whispers stories of innovation and decline. Each crumbling wall and shattered window invites us to ponder what led to their abandonment. As architecture students, we must explore these relics not just as structures, but as reflections of societal shifts and the relentless march of time. What secrets do they hold? What lessons can we learn from their rise and fall? In their silence, they speak volumes.